Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about something that's going viral all over social media. Weight loss slimming patches. You've probably seen those fantastic ads, right? People losing tons of weight in just a few weeks, like a magic. All by sticking on a patch. It sounds too good to be true, but before you go out and buy a whole bunch of these things, let's take a closer look and see if they actually work. So these ads are everywhere. They show people with amazing before and after pictures, talking about how they shed pounds effortlessly with these patches. It's tempting, isn't it, and worth a try. We all want a quick and easy way to lose weight, but is it really that simple? Let us use part of the mind and leave the rest asleep for a while. First of all, these patches seem to have a lot of different brand names like Bee Venom, Ceoerty, Lenaro, SOS, and many other names. Why so many? It's almost like they're trying to avoid being easily identified. Then, there are the before and after pictures. They look amazing, but are they real? If you look closely, a lot of them seem kind of fishy. They might be edited, or even stolen from somewhere else. And those ads that pressure you to buy with limited time offers and only a few left in stores. Those are classic sales tactics, designed to push you into a decision before you think twice. So where do these patches even come from? A lot of them are manufactured by unknown companies, that we don't really know anything about. There's no transparency about the ingredients, how they're made, or if they're even safe. What is the scientific basis, and what health approvals and permits have you obtained in order to be sold to the consumer? They exploit the benefits of bee venom in order to achieve sufficient publicity for their product. Sure, bee venom does have some potential health benefits. But, the amount they put in these patches is probably tiny, and even if it was more, there's no guarantee it would actually help you lose weight. Plus, putting it on your skin might not even be an effective way to be absorbed in your body. There can also be health risks involved. Bee venom can cause allergic reactions like rashes or swelling. In some cases, it could even be life-threatening. So, bee venom patches are probably not the answer. But what is the solution to lose weight? You can follow a nutritionist to monitor your health condition and follow what suits you. It takes effort and commitment. Focus on eating a healthy diet, with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Get regular exercise. Even if it's just starting with some walks, or body weight exercises at home. So, Bee Venom Slimming Patches seem like a fad. That's more about hype than actual results. Don't waste your money on something that might not work, and could even be risky. Instead, focus on healthy and sustainable habits for long-term weight loss, and overall well-being. Leave your comment below this video and I'll do my best to answer. Don't forget to like, and subscribe for more videos. Beware, and thanks for watching.